Paramita, how was your experience with Classic Code and New Code NLP?
Well, Classic Code was when I was introduced to this amazing world that exists, which I wasn't aware. And now I understand my journey from Classic to New Code. Classic Code introduced and it let us know, what can be done when you are in sync with your unconscious and when you are, utilizing the resources that are already there in you. Most of the time we go seeking outward, right, for help, for any kind of assistance. We think I need to change, I need so many different things. But Classic Code was the introduction wherein I believe that all that I needed was within me. I just needed to work more on it. So that was my experience with Classic Code.
What about New Code?
New Code is a complete transformational journey because the games that we play, they are so well thought out. Honestly, Ridhima as a coach, she is somebody who doesn't refer to PowerPoint presentations and not much of, okay, this is what. She doesn't go into explanations at all. But the surprising part of it is that everything is over here. And I started getting the downloads that whatever she's saying is going right here. All right. It was not even, I will not need a PPT or a book or a manual or something to refer to when I do it, because the practice in this was done so beautifully. So New Code games introduce you to a whole new world of transformation, and you start feeling the shift from day one. That's the beauty of this. You don't have to wait to get to the last day to feel that now I'm changed. No, actually it starts with the first game that you play.
So, if you could give us 2 to 3 examples that you have experienced in your personal as well as your professional life.
Oh yes. So when I came here and I started this journey with Ridhima, I was quite a mess because after working for 20 years in corporate in very challenging roles and senior roles, I have now embarked upon an entrepreneurial venture. I want to start my own coaching, and there are millions like me who are starting as well. So to create that differentiation, I needed the state of mind which would kill the overthinking that I do, which would kill the kind of thought processes that were detrimental to my, mental state. And New Code and Classic, it actually helps you break down those states. And it actually helps you achieve the state wherein you are able to perform at your peak without much effort. You don't even realize that you're performing at your peak because your mind is conditioned through these processes to do so. So, all the lengthy modalities that we have to achieve and to reach the state just simply disappears because a few simple steps and you're there. It's as easy as that.
So, how was your experience with Ridhima as a trainer or as a coach?
Like I said, she's like a magic Wonder Woman. It's she doesn't have any notes. She's not referencing anything. It's all within her mind. That is the first thing that impressed me about her is so much knowledge, all the names of the people that she's interacted with during her journey, and the students she has taught, the different places that she's been to. It's like this. So she inspires you to achieve that kind of a mental state wherein you can perform that way, remember everything, and know how to talk. And she's healing everybody. Every session that we have here in New Code is working on somebody's today's problem. So she's actually solving problem real time while she's teaching you how to do it. So that's the beauty of the way of her pedagogy and the way she teaches.
So one word you could give for your experience.
It's just amazing. Like she says, you just got to be there to feel it. It's very difficult to put into words. I feel much more awakened spiritually, and even within myself, I'm aware of what I am doing every day. I'm not just flitting through life like a leaf in the wind, not anymore. I feel much more conscious, and I feel so much more at peace. I can't tell you, Payal. It's really, you got to feel it to be there, you know.
Whom would you recommend Ridhima's course and why?
Oh, since I come from the corporate world, I will bank upon my reference. We think that there are situations which have no solutions because we got to earn our living, we got to, like, you know, balance our family life and work life balance, and so much chatter and talk. I mean, we just need all those people to come here just to hear Ridhima say, shut up, silence, just silence here. Stop the internal chatter. You will do what you're meant to do. Just do. That's it. So I will recommend it for all the corporates, for especially for women. I mean, since we play so many roles in life, you know, it's very nice to know that you have a state, a sanctuary that you can go into and, like, you know, you can perform from there.
So, one word that you would like to give to Ridhima?
She's a great mentor and coach, and all I have in my heart for her is immense gratitude for helping me find this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.